All right, y'all. Getting this bedroom upstairs together. Pledging it up. You know, this really is a waste of a fucking wipe, I promise you. This is just good for the smooth wood, I guess. The smooth wood. Bringing this wood back to life. That's what we doing. Baby. That's what we got going on here. Restoring that soul glow. Just a little restoration work, that's all. I should have done it before and after, but you'll see. You shall see what is going on. Gotta use this for this rougher area here. Just give it a little protective coating. I got my legs off. Yeah, they were in the way. So, just cleaning it up. Nobody wants to lay in a dirty bed, after all, right? I gotta get this out my way so I can get over there. Ah, shit. We'll take care of that wood in a little while. Let's get this done. Whew. I'm tired, man. I am tired. Shit. It's kind of rough not having legs, but hey, you adapt. I think I better save some of this place because I ain't got much left. This set right here is like 27 years old. This piece of furniture here, so I'm trying to save this. You know what I'm saying? This was my first bedroom set, queen sized. I don't know what that is, but just want to clean this up so we can get rid of all of this. It's coming back. Oh, it's coming back to life. Stand it up. Be easy, bro. Don't let it go. All right. All right. Let's get down to the real nitty-gritty, y'all. I don't have a mattress or box spring for this yet, but hopefully I shall acquire one within the next few days. You know what I'm saying? Wax on, wax off. Wow, a lot of bugs on this thing here. Glad I'm cleaning this shit. Thorough cleaning. A lot of bugs. Nah, we don't do bugs, baby. She coming on back. Come on back to me, girl. There we go. She coming back. Yeah. should put this right here. That right there. Work, 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 work. I try not to sit still. Alright, that one's done. That's the headboard. Headboard done. Now, let's get this footboard done. See if we can switch real quick. Switch, all right. Get that out the way. Come on. It's got to work smarter, not harder. Let's see. You ain't got no legs. And you're doing this shit by yourself. You gotta use your fucking hand. Let's get that out of the way. Alright. Nice. Let's get this headboard in place. I think I'll put the bed right here. What side is this? That's for this side. That's for that side. And this is for this side. Alright. Let's get that out the way and in place. Alright. Let's move this over here. Nice. Stay right there. Okay. Now. Whew. All right. Now, let's get the. Oh shit. Oh boy. Let's get this done. All right, y'all. I'll be back when this is a little closer to complete. All right, y'all. I'll be back.